This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to make a dependent drop-down list in Excel. I'm going to investigate cascading drop-down list in depth and learn how to create this feature that displays choices depending on the value selected in first drop-down. To put it differently, I will make an Excel data validation that based on the value of another list. You need to create names for your main list and for each of the dependent lists. You can do this either by adding a new name in the Name Manager window. Also, you can type the name directly in the name box. The Name Manager dialog window lets you see all names in the current workbook at a glance. On the Data tab in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. The Data Validation dialog box appears. In the Allow box, click List. Click in the Source box and type equal post. Next, select cell D1. In the Allow box, click List. Click in the Source box and type equal indirect $bit$1. Now you can choose a position in the first drop-down list and then select a name related to that position. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.